Ever feel like you're drowning in admin tasks, scheduling meetings, replying to endless emails? It's a full-time job in itself. What if I told you there's a way to get hours of your week back using something you probably already have access to? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how I built my own AI personal assistant and how it completely transformed my workflow. And no, you don't need to be a coding genius. We're talking about a simple two-tool setup that will have your AI booking meetings and drafting emails for you, just like a real-life assistant. Transition to a clean, organized desk setup. Screen recording starts. All right, let's dive right in. The magic behind this system is a workflow that connects two powerful tools. The first is our brain, the AI model. Think of this as the engine that understands your requests. The second is our action tool, which connects that brain to your actual apps, like your calendar and your email client. The goal here isn't just to automate a single task, but to create a true agent that can reason and act on your behalf. So let's start with the first and most common headache: scheduling meetings. Imagine you get an email like this. Hey, great talking to you. Let's find some time to connect next week. I'm free Tuesday afternoon or anytime Thursday. Normally, this kicks off a frustrating game of email tennis. You check your calendar, find a few slots, email them back, they reply saying those don't work. You know the drill. It's a massive time sink. Now, watch this. Instead of doing any of that myself, I simply forward this email to my AI assistant with a one-line instruction. Find a 30-minute slot and book this. That's it. Now let's look under the hood to see what's happening. My AI agent receives the email. Step 1. It reads and understands the context. It knows the person's name, their request, and their proposed availability. Tuesday afternoon and anytime Thursday. Step 2. The AI now needs to check my calendar. This is where the integration with our action tool comes in. The AI queries my Google Calendar, looking for free 30-minute slots that match the sender's availability. It sees that I have a meeting on Tuesday afternoon, but I'm completely free on Thursday. It intelligently identifies a few potential slots, say Thursday at 10 a.m., 2 p.m., and 4 p.m. Step 3. It drafts a reply. And this isn't a generic robotic response. It crafts a professional and friendly email. Something like, "Hi, sender's name. Thanks for reaching out. Happy to connect. Thursday works well for me. How about 10 a.m. PST? If that doesn't work, I'm also available at 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. Let me know what's best, and I'll send over a calendar invite." See how it offers options? This makes the process smoother for the other person. Step 4, and this is the coolest part. Once the other person replies, say, 10 a.m. sounds great. The AI agent reads their confirmation, goes back into my calendar, creates the event, invites the attendee, adds a video conferencing link, and even sends a final confirmation email. The entire back and forth completely handled without me lifting a finger. I just see the final confirmed meeting pop up on my calendar. This one workflow alone saves me at least 2 to 3 hours every single week. Show another example on screen. Now let's take it a step further with email drafting. We all get those emails that require a thoughtful response but aren't urgent. They sit in our inbox, creating mental clutter. Let's say I get an inquiry about a potential collaboration. It's a detailed email asking about my services, my rates, and my process. Instead of staring at a blank page, I delegate this to my AI assistant. My instruction is, draft a positive reply to this collaboration inquiry. Reference my standard service doc for my process and rates, and suggest we schedule a brief introductory call. Here's the workflow in action. The AI reads the incoming email and my instruction. It accesses the document I mentioned, my standard service doc, which I've provided it with beforehand. This is key. You can give your AI a knowledge base to pull from. It extracts the relevant information about my services and pricing. Then it crafts a comprehensive and personalized draft. It's not just copy-pasting. It might start with something like, "Hi, sender's name. Thank you so much for your interest in collaborating. I was excited to read about your project. Based on what you've described, it sounds like a fantastic fit. It then summarizes my process and rates clearly, pulling directly from the document. Finally, it seamlessly transitions into the call to action, just as I requested. The next best step would be a quick 15-minute introductory call to discuss your goals in more detail. You can book a time directly on my calendar here, and it even includes the scheduling link. The draft appears in my email drafts folder. All I have to do is give it a quick once-over, make any tiny tweaks if needed, and hit send. It takes me 30 seconds instead of 20 minutes of composing the perfect email from scratch. I'm still in control, but 95% of the work is already done. This is about augmenting your abilities, not completely replacing them. It handles the tedious parts so you can focus on the high-level strategy and personal touches. Setting this up is easier than you think. The first step is choosing your AI model. There are many great options out there. The second is selecting a workflow automation platform that can connect your AI to your apps. Many of these platforms have visual drag-and-drop interfaces, so you're basically just drawing a flowchart of what you want to happen. You start with a trigger, like new email received, and then add actions like send to AI for analysis, search calendar, and draft reply. The real power comes from customizing it to your specific needs. You can train your AI on your communication style by giving it examples of emails you've written. You can create different workflows for different types of requests. One for sales inquiries, one for support questions, one for scheduling. You're building a system that learns and adapts to you. It's not just an assistant, it's your personal assistant. It frees up your mental energy to focus on what truly matters. Growing your business, creating content, or just enjoying a bit more of your life. So stop letting admin tasks run your day. Take an afternoon to set up a simple two-tool AI workflow. Start with just one task, like scheduling, and see how much time you get back. It's a small investment that pays massive dividends in productivity and peace of mind. I hope this has been helpful and inspired you to build your own AI assistant. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on how to use AI to supercharge your productivity, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what task you'd love to automate first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.